Meaning of dime store.
Dime store.
Dime store.
Dime store.
Dime store. Dime store is a term used to refer to small, inexpensive retail stores that sell a wide variety of goods. These stores originated in the United States in the late 19th century and were popular throughout the first half of the 20th century. The products sold in dime stores typically included items such as toys, stationery, household supplies, and beauty products. The name dime store came from the fact that many of the items sold in these stores cost only a dime or a few cents. Today, dime stores are less common and have largely been replaced by larger retail chains.